A. Fill in the blanks with the help of the given words. First one Facebook, second one 2004, third one linked in, fourth one cybercrime, and the fifth one hacker. B. Tick the correct answer. Cyberbullying, intellectual property right, plagiarism, cyber ethics, 4th B, 3A, 2C, 1B, 5A. The word netizen means a user of the internet. State true or false. First one false, second one true. Third one false, fourth one true, fifth one false. D. Answer the following question. What do you understand by the term social networking? Page 14. Page 44. A social networking site is a web-based service that enable us to communicate with friends and family, share experiences, promote a cause, or keep us updated with news. Social networking sites allow the user to publish their thoughts that can be read later by many users. A social networking website allows a user to set up an account or to create a profile that is digital representation of themselves. Page 53, second question, D2. List 3 advantages of social networking. The advantages of social networking are educational development. We can use social networking to discuss schoolwork and share assignments. And we can gather information for projects. Digital competence, you have to write the full paragraph of that. Social skills, where independence and self-expression is written, you write social skill there. You can create your own blog to express your thoughts and allow people to express and discuss their viewpoints. D3, page 53, share examples of social networking websites. Answer 3, Facebook. Facebook help us to keep in touch or connect with friends, post photos, share links, express thoughts and exchange ideas. linked. Page 45. LinkedIn is a popular professional networking website. It will serve as an online resume. You can also add contacts to build your network. Pinterest is a digital bulletin board or digital scrapbook for collecting the favorite website link that you like on the internet. So these are 3 examples. Four, do you think there are risks involved in useful social networking websites? Write 3 reasons. Page 50. Do you think there are risks involved in social networking? Yes, there are risks involved in social networking website. Write 3 reasons, page 50. You should never arrange to meet someone that you know only in the virtual world. Inform teacher or parents in case of any trouble. You should understand the game rating, privacy statement, and other related terms and conditions before joining online game community. Spending too much time while playing online games will affect your health. It will harm your schedule for studies and other activities. What do you understand by the term digital footprint? Why do you think it is important? What do you understand by the term digital footprint? Why do you think it is important? A digital footprint is an online information about a person, as when you access the any website you leave the traces of footprints. Online, this information is transmitted online through comments on social media. This can be seen by people you do not know even. Why do you think it is important? It is important It is important because it can be seen by many people you do not know even. An online blemish can make a negative impact on your education and career. You should use You should be a consistent username for being recognized across platforms. If you use a fake name, you will be legally responsible for your actions. It is important to be careful while you write or upload on internet, as it can be seen by many people you do not know even. So that's why it is important. Thank you. Try the brainstorm at the back, page 54, by yourself, and please write the question answer and learn it.